Hey, it's Antonia with Antonia Rupert Fine Art. I want to share something that happened during one of my community art workshops. We were presenting to about 210 students, and over a course of a week, not all at the same time, but I was sharing with them that Martin Luther King had a friend, and his friend was his running buddy. They used to do things together, from place to place together. And one day his friend told him that he could not be friends any longer because Martin Luther King was black. I was sharing that with my class, and I had one little girl raise her hand, and she said, the same thing happened to me. My best friend said she couldn't be friends with me because my skin was too brown. Yeah, and it shook me, and I was like, what? I looked at that little girl, and beautiful, beautiful little girl. I said, no. I said, honey, you're beautiful. I went on to share with her how we celebrate diversity. We celebrate different skin tones. What if we all look the same? It would be so boring. But in my community art workshops, I love what I do because I get to build relationships with people. I help them build relationships with each other. Community art is all about connecting, and I get to do that on, every time I have a workshop. So I want to share that with you because, it's 2020, and things like that are still happening, but we can we can we can connect with each other. We can love each other. We can be with each other, and I think that's important. Just to share that, even now. Okay, that's all I had. God bless you. Bye bye.